It was 7:15 a.m. I was sitting on the Metro North train going into Manhattan. We were just pulling up to Harlem 125th Street. And I was checking my phone and I saw the news. One of our shorts had just been acquired for a 30% premium. It was July 1st, 2015. And I was literally in tears because I knew this day was going to be a terrible day for my investors and myself. My hedge fund was going to lose a lot of money that day, and there was nothing I could do about it. Nothing I could do about the loss of money, but there's something I could do about those tears. And so I went about the process of changing my emotions from sadness to happiness. And this is actually going to be one of the key themes for my upcoming book. As many of you know, my name is Joel Solomon. I'm a prosperity coach. And I've been talking to you the last few weeks about themes for my upcoming book, which the main focus will be unconventional money rules. And this chapter that I'll be talking about how happiness can get you to financial freedom quicker. And some of you know, a few weeks ago, I took a quote from the book I was reading that week by Jeff Olson called The Slight Edge, and he talks about happiness. And he actually quotes from a book called The Happiness Advantage by Shawn Achor. And it's interesting because Shawn actually talks about some of the key themes about happiness that I had in my first book, Mindful Money Management: Memoirs of a Hedge Fund Manager. I actually had 3 chapters on happiness. Chapter 8 was called Happiness. Chapter 13 was called Feel Good Now. And chapter 14 was called Trust Your Gut and Unconditional Happiness. So today I wanted to talk to you about how happy habits can actually get you to financial freedom quicker, because when you're feeling happier, Law of Attraction says, what you put out, you get. And when you're feeling happier, more and more things come into your life for you to be happy about. And I'm pretty sure having more money is something that you'd be happy about. So let me give you some of the things that Shawn recommends. And I actually, coincidentally, and I don't believe they're coincidences, only synchronicities, I haven't read The Happiness Advantage. But I did have all the keys that Shawn talks about to get the happiness advantage. So let's talk about them. And I repeat them again in my upcoming book. So the first thing is gratitude. I highly recommend having a gratitude journal, writing down 5 things you're grateful for every morning, and 5 things you're grateful for at night. It doesn't have to be big things. They can just be simple things like I'm grateful for getting up in the morning. Or at the end of the day, it could be if you're not having a great day or didn't have a great day, I'm grateful that this day is over. Just write down a few things each day and it will actually change your focus to the things that are happening that are good in your life. The second thing I'd recommend is journaling. I do it every morning for 10 minutes, but you don't have to do it for 10 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes would be sufficient to just get any of the, what I'll call the crap, out of your head and onto paper so you can stop thinking about it and get on with your day. The third item is meditation. And I have a whole chapter in Mindful Money Management, chapter 9 on meditation. I highly recommend just starting. I know for a lot of you, you have a lot of thoughts going on. You think it's very, very difficult. Start with a guided meditation. There's plenty of apps on there. I use the Calm app, C-A-L-M, but there are plenty of apps out there that you can use for free to just get a guided meditation, even for a few minutes. It'll really help. It'll help you be more productive, more focused, be more positive. And another recommendation, which I actually have in Mindful Money Management, Happy Habits, is random acts of kindness. Try to do 5 nice things a day. If you can't do 5, try just 1. Try to do just 1 nice thing, and it doesn't have to be big things. Opening the door for somebody, or keeping the elevator open for somebody, holding it open for them, saying please, saying thank you, giving somebody a compliment or a smile. Giving a smile to a stranger would be great. And finally, my last happy habit recommendation that Sean recommends is exercise. 15 minutes a day, if it's sit-ups or push-ups or pull-ups, or even just going for a walk outside, the sun's rays are really beneficial for you. So that's my recommendation for this week, Happy Habits, to move you towards financial freedom quicker. So again, those 5 things: gratitude, journaling, meditation, random acts of kindness, and exercise. Thanks for watching. I believe in you.